How to fix Doordash won't let me order. If you're encountering issues with the Doordash app on your Android device, follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve them. Clear app data. Launch your device's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management depending on your device. Select Doordash. Locate and tap on Doordash from the list of installed apps. Inside the Doordash app info, tap on Storage. Choose the Clear Data option. You might also see Delete depending on your device. Log back in. After clearing the data, you'll be logged out of the Doordash app. To continue using it, log back in with your Doordash username and password. If the problem persists, try the following general troubleshooting steps for both iOS and Android. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try turning off and on your phone's Wi-Fi. Disable airplane mode. Make sure your device is not in airplane mode, as this can affect connectivity. Temporarily disable Wi-Fi and use cellular data instead. This might improve app connectivity. Restart your phone. Restart your device to refresh its settings and connections. If none of the method works, then uninstall the Doordash app, wait for 3-5 seconds, and then reinstall it. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, note that installing the app will use data. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve common issues with the Doordash app. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Doordash support for further assistance. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.